This is an amazing opportunity to own 3 lots: restaurant, quadruplex, and vacant lot totaling 0.8 acres on the Payette River. As you come through the front doors, the entryway opens into a dining room filled with seating for 97 people, 9 booths, and 21 bar seats. The restaurant is heated by a wood stove and has ductless heating and air. The outlets have been updated with phone charging stations. The bar features 20 taps and handles, a margarita machine, and multiple beer or drink coolers. The kitchen includes 4 salad bars and 2 3-compartment sinks, 6 prep tables, and a 10-eye grill, just to name a few. Attached to the main kitchen is a completely separate pizza kitchen, fully equipped. Your guests can enjoy a waterfront view. The outside seating area seats 85 people, totaling 182 in its entirety. The river provides a feature that is a unique experience and makes the restaurant a local attraction. Next door, and on a different lot, is a gift shop with C2 zoning. There are 3 rooms situated like hotel rooms with studio and bathroom. The upstairs unit has a full kitchen, as you cross under the bridge, there will be a park on the other side of the highway that's soon to be developed. Thanks for touring this Riverside restaurant. Please call with any questions.